Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I will be making a small drawers. They will be placed in the upper shelf of the shoe cabinet instead of shoes. So let's go to the workshop.
Montag blieben draußen globen.
For the parts of the drawers that will be hidden in the shoe cabinet, I will be mostly using scrap wood and some leftovers from the other projects, because I really like not throwing away anything and possibly using it again. Now I will glue all the different pieces of scrap wood together. And then I will make them look nice on the planer. Now let's move to the router and make some grooves for the bottoms of the drawers. On the outer sides of the drawers there will be small grooves that will be used as guides for sliding the drawers. For the front side of the drawers I will be using some nicer looking wood. Here I am using a small drill to make a hole in the center as a guide for a bigger drill that is to come. Now I'm making 35mm holes that will be used instead of handles. These are the grooves for the bottoms. And now I will round the edges of the center holes. For connecting the front panels of the drawers I will be using wooden dowels, so now I'm making holes in the side panels. I will use these center finders for locating the center of the holes on the counterpiece. I'm using this extra wood to make sure that the sides are flush, and here you can see the two marks. And now let's put everything together. Since the rear sides of the drawers will be hidden, I will use bread nails to connect these, which makes everything much more easier and faster. Now I will round all the edges. The bottoms I will make out of plywood. And for securing them, I will also use the bread nails. I'm making measurements for guiding rails, and here they come. I'm going to carefully slide them between the arranged drawers. And secure them using my favorite bread nailer. Finally, some oil finish. And finally, let's see if the drawers will fit. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next project.